In this video, I show you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting problem or Wi-Fi automatic disconnecting problem. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then click on Wi-Fi and network. Click on internet. Now click on network preference. Turn on Wi-Fi automatically. Enable this. Now click on search settings. Search for reset. Click on reset option. Click on reset option again. Then click on reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth. Click on it. Then click on reset settings. Enter your screen lock, password or pin code. Then click on reset settings again. Now go back to settings. Click on network and internet. Click on internet. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Sure you entered your correct password here. Then click on connect. Now I hope that this method fix Wi-Fi keep disconnecting problem on Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget